Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this cute makeup look right here. We have a cute pink lip going on along with this cute pink blush. We put a little glitter on the eye. I think this look would be perfect for Valentine's Day. A little bit more wearable for anybody, and I just like how it turned out. So if you're interested or you want the details, keep on watching. The first new product I'm trying is a primer. It's from Catrice Cosmetics and I got it for $8 at Ulta. It claims to have a silky matte finish, long lasting and oil free pore refining anti-shine base. I'm excited to try this one because the other one that I have is not really mattifying. The e.l.f. one that I usually use kind of feels creamy. It doesn't really feel silicone-y at all. It feels quite tacky, but it reminds me more of that Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. It's really nice, but I don't know that it's very mattifying. Okay, so it did an okay job at mattifying my pores. It feels quite kind of sticky, so I have a good feeling about it under my foundation, but I'll wear it for a little bit and let you guys know what I think about that. What am I gonna do next? Brows. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and then I will be right back. Brows are done. I'm going to next apply the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 202. This is not new to me. It's a finish kind of like the IT Cosmetics CC cream, but unlike the CC cream, it oxidizes quite a bit, meaning it dries down into a deeper shade. I'm usually able to make that work. So you just have to buy a shade lighter. I'm excited for summer. Just want to go swimming, lay by the pool. This has a really creamy finish to it. It's very lightweight, which I really like. It doesn't feel like you're wearing foundation at all. I would say the coverage is probably about light to medium. I do like a little bit more fuller coverage in the areas that I need it. So what's nice is you can just build it up really well. L'Oreal also has an Infallible Pro Matte that I haven't tried, but as you guys know, I always lean towards the glowy side. Dewy. If you guys want me to try that one, I would be more than happy to. If you have really oily skin, I don't think that this foundation would be... You could probably get away with like setting it with powder, but it's pretty creamy. Gotta stop it. As always, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape Creamy Concealer in Fair Neutral. Put a little bit more in the inner corner because girl, I'm tired. Taking my damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend that out really well. I can't believe it's finally February. I feel like January was everlasting and it literally never ended. Oh shoot! I have this new True Match Lumi Glotion from L'Oreal that I wanted to try under my foundation. I'll try it next time. I will. Watch for it, because you're gonna see it. But I'm glad it's February now. We can move on with our lives. Blend. Boop, boop, boop. Today I'm actually going to do a little bit of cream contouring. I really like to do this with e.l.f.'s number 301 brush. You guys have probably seen me do this before, but this brush, you guys, seriously amazing for cream contouring. It just applies it super effortlessly. I like to, I can't speak. What I like doing with this brush is applying the cream contour right to the brush. And this is the cream contour from Wet n Wild in Oaks on You, and they also have a darker shade, but it's too dark for me. And this brush is really able to just dispense the product lightly, so it's very buildable, which I really like. It's pretty hard to like get carried away, but you still can. You just have to kind of be careful. But it just makes it so effortless and blends really nicely into the skin. Before, after. White trash goddess. Just kidding. A little bit up on the forehead here. Make sure you really blend it in so it looks like there's not your cream bronzer in your foundation. And this brush will do that for you. Now we're gonna set everything. Today to set, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me in 05 Fair, and I'm almost out of this because I love it that much. Below the bronzer. Sucking below my pants. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Physicians Formula bronzer, or I should say butter. We're gonna set that cream contour. Go ahead and take my bronzer just like I usually do. I think we're gonna put a little glitter on the lid today. So we'll put this up on the brow bone. Give it some color. You don't have to worry about doing the lid space because that's where we'll do our glitter. My babe's awake. Wanna say hello? Say hi. Baby. So for the glitter on the lid, I'm going to be using Desi X Katie Dose of Colors. And I think I'm going to go into this shade here. Ooh, I believe that's Sue's. They named the palette after their dogs. Super cute. I would do that probably, even though they drive me nuts. So I'm going to take a flat brush and just dip that in the pan. It came with this cute little card, a little bit about each shade. This one says for maximum texture color payoff, apply with damp finger. But I'm going to try it with a brush and some of my setting spray. What the heck? Let's try our finger. My setting spray's spitting at me. Ooh, yes. Gorgeous. Love it. Beautiful. Genius. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of blend the crease out. But I have to ask you to be quiet one more time. So help me God. It's a little excess glitter fallout, so I should have done this before my foundation, but that's okay. We took care of the problem. Really subtle. I'm all about the subtlety. All right, what is it time for? It's time for blush. And I don't have any new blush, but I haven't really tried this one from Model's Own. Let's go ahead and try this really pink one. Let's jump out of our comfort zones today. It's very, very, very loose powder. So that is really pink. It's kind of like glowy, which I'm all for. Ooh, there's also a pink highlight in here that I might use. I don't know, might be too much pink. We'll see how we feel. So I'm gonna set the face with my Mario Badescu setting spray. Oh, nothing like a new bottle that doesn't spit at me. Glorious. So I did pick up this new Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, metallic highlighter, and it is in Molten Gold. I'm down for anything gold. You don't have to talk to me about it twice. So I've seen this reviewed a lot on the internet, but I needed to try it for myself. Let's swatch it. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Holy mother of pearl. I feel like this one might get away from me a little bit just because it's like really gold and I have fair skin. Just like the Desi and Katie collection with Dose of Colors one. So I'm gonna just try it on my nose and my upper lip. Okay. Yeah, hi. It's just gonna be carried around with me everywhere. Oh my gosh. Let's look at that up close. Okay, so it doesn't look bad actually. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with my beauty blender. Gorgeous. Yeah, I don't think I can try these on the try that one on the cheek, so I'm just gonna go with my go-to from Makeup Revolution. This is me. I'm gonna go in today with my Voluminous Lash from L'Oreal. Really? I'm just gonna coat a very light layer. Is anybody watching the Super Bowl? Anybody care about the Super Bowl? This might be up after the Super Bowl. But what I'm more excited about for on Super Bowl Sunday is the fact that This Is Us is on. I'm more excited for the fact that This Is Us is on because I'm pretty sure it's the season finale or something. I'm freaking out about it. What is that, drool? Story of my life. Okay, so for lips today, I'm gonna stay with the pink vibe here. I think this one will look really good. So I'm going to go in with this lip pencil from NYX, and it is, what color are you? Nude pink. And I think it's just like a perfect like dusty rose color, or dusty pink. I don't think it's quite a mauve. It has a little more pinky undertone to it. I'm not going to overline my lips today because the whole look is very subtle and a little bit more natural. Now I'm going in with the Superstay Matte Ink from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Dreamer, and they just came out with a bunch of new shades that I want to go pick up. They stay a little sticky, which I'm not too fond of. Yes, feeling it. Bueno. Thanks again, as always, for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, then go away. What else? Be sure to subscribe and comment and let me know what you think about this look, and please tag me in your recreations or if you have any suggestions or other ideas. But thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.